Hi guys, so welcome to another review, and today we're going to review the Apple Watch SE. Okay, so for me, I got the space gray aluminum case with black sports band, and it's GPS and 40 millimeter. So yeah, so as you can see, the box. All right. I don't think it's very simple. The box is very simple. Yep. So yeah, that's it. And all right, I think that's all. There's no much design on their box. Very simple. All right, now let's unbox it. Um, Says here. Let's peel this off. All right. See. Oh wow. Oh, wow. Wow. All right. Looks like very nice box. So you can see the other designs for other watch. And we have two box again. This one, yep, contains the Apple Watch and sports band. Okay, maybe let's open this one. Oh, very nice. Alright, so we got the first the manual. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll need this one later. Put it outside, and we have the cable charging. Oh wait, this is the charging. What do you say, mount? Charging mount, or I don't know. It says magnetically attach charger to the back of the case. Okay. Alright, here's the charger. It is cord, and it's USB 2. Let's get some. And we have the watch. Right. Wow. Wow. Very shiny. Alright. Look at that. Very shiny. I think this one is powder coated. Yep. Very shiny. Alright. Now let's open the strap. Put the side here. Oh. Alright. You have the manuals. I mean the box is the manual, so very very nice to reduce the, you know, to waste for the box. Wow. And, oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Very nice rubber. Yeah, there's two of it. I just use the other one for the medium and small as for the size comparison. Alright. Alright. So let's see what would be mine. The other strap. Wow. Very nice, satisfying. Alright, now we have the watch and the straps. So to attach the band, they call it the band. Or band. Sorry. Nice. Yeah, it's magnetic. As you can see, I can pull a bit of the band, but uh, even though if alright, I'm pulling this on my, oh, yeah, it requires, oh, we accidentally opened it. Oh no. Alright, then I guess we need to attach the other band. Alright. Now it's now open. Let's wait. As you can see, it's low band for now. So, yep. Let's connect it to the charger. Wow. Look at that. Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, bring iPhone near the Apple Watch. So I'm recording through my phone